So I'm going to show you how you can add Bluetooth capability to this older Prius factory radio. You simply use my device from GizmoGuyGadgets.com, GizmoGuyGadgets.com. This simple device will allow you to add Bluetooth capability to this Toyota Prius factory radio without a new radio headsets or a complicated, expensive modification. Simply by connecting my device, and you will be able to enjoy all your smartphone features right through your older car factory radio. In this case, will be a Toyota Prius. So let me show you how it works. So this is the unit itself. And this will allow you to play and stream all your music, podcast, news, radio, Sirius radio, right from your phone, right through these older factory radio. This is the control unit, and it has a wire. And on the other end, you have two wires. One is USB. The other one is for 3.5 millimeter connector. So if you have an aux input, you'll use this. If you do not have an aux input, you'll be using USB for power. So simply connect this device onto this cigarette charger from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Connect this device for power. So we just connect these two together and then plug it into the car. So we'll plug this into the car. There. Now we're done. We're done with the installation. All you have to do is make sure that you turn on the car. Now the car is on. Connected. Okay. You see that? All you have to do is make sure that the radio is set to 87.9 or whichever station that works the best for you, for your area. 87.9 has to match the settings on this control unit. All you have to do is make sure that these are paired together. That's all you have to do. Now, we are ready to enjoy all the features from our smartphone right through this Toyota factory radio. Let me show you how it's done. Okay, so now we're done with the installations. All you have to do is, let me show you how it works. So we turn on the car, make sure the radios are matching together, and this thing is plugged in. Turn up the volume so we can hear it. Let me show you what it does. So we turned it off. So next time when you get into the car and you start the ignition, listen.
Waiting for connection. Connected.
There. Now that's all you have to do. Your phone is now paired to your car using this Gizmo Guy gadget. Now all you have to do is press this button to hear all your music from your phone. You can use this button to skip song, forward, and you can use the backward to go back. And when somebody calls, all you have to do is press this button and you'll be able to talk hands-free, static-free, and crystal clear. So once you're done with the conversation, just hit the button again and you will hang up and your stereo will resume back to play music. So this is the easiest and quickest way to add Bluetooth capability to your older Toyota Prius factory radio. Simply by connecting Gizmo Guy gadget to your car, plug into the cigarette lighter for power, and then now you're ready to enjoy all your Bluetooth. Now you essentially turn your older car as smart as your new smartphone. You can use voice control such as Siri or Google or Alexa to control. You can use voice control, or you can just do it traditionally, manually, by pressing this button and then go forward and backward if you do choose. This way, you can keep the factory radio, which will keep your resale value of your car. You do not need to mess with the radio simply by adding this device, and you'll have Bluetooth capability in your Toyota Prius. And this will work for all Prius, the older Prius 2011, 2012, and down or up. So anyway, the older Prius, you can add Bluetooth capability by using my device to add Bluetooth capability to your older Prius, Toyota Prius factory radio. This is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Goodbye. You get this device from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. You get my device from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. This is the device, and this is the quickest and easiest way to add Bluetooth capability to your older Toyota factory radio. This is Gizmo Guy. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.